back to another video. My name is Jasmine, and as you can see, we got the ball cap on. So of course we're applying another wig today, and it is a 5x5 because I have my sides out, and it is from LUVME Hair. Y'all know I love me some LUVME. All links and details of this wig will be linked in the description box for you guys down below. This is an asymmetrical bob that we are installing today. As you can see, the lace, see-through, hair quality, cap construction, perfect. We got the elastic band, so you know that wig is going to be secure all day. We don't even have to worry about gluing it down. And as you can see, that's why I left my edges out, was so that on the sides, if the wind were to blow, you'd catch my little edges. So first things first, we're putting on some heat protectant on the hair so that when we are applying heat and curling it, it'll be nice and safe and it won't be burning and damaging the hair. You know, all that stuff. You got to protect your wigs just like you would your natural hair. You want to protect it from heat, damage, and all things like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and define my part a little bit. I did bleach the knots, but I did not pluck the hairline. And honestly, I still feel like it looks pretty good in the front. So plucking the hairline isn't always necessary, especially with, I feel like, 5x5 units, just because it's less lace that is even showing. So I just took a wax stick real quick and put that on the top. Y'all already know the deal. I do this with all my wigs. Put the wax stick on the top, make sure everything laid down with a hot comb. We're gonna secure it, make it look like it's going from the scalp. You know the vibes. So after that's all done, I'm just taking a flat iron and I am doing some light curls in my hair. I'm alternating how I'm curling it, one away from my face and one toward my face, away, toward my face. And I just keep going back and forth between that. So I get really like messy looking curls when I brush them out later. As y'all can see, this hair curls beautifully. I did notice that about all LUVME units that I've ever used is that they hold heat very, very well, and they really like straighten super quick, like 1-2 passes maybe if it's like more of like a kinkier texture. But that is one thing I absolutely love about the LUVME units is you don't really have to apply that much heat to get your style that you want. So here's just a better look at the hairline. Again, I did not pluck it whatsoever, and it still looks pretty natural. So it's up to you whether you guys would like to pluck or not. Now I'm just taking some scissors and a razor, and I'm just gonna be cutting off that excess lace. And after that, you guys, the wig is pretty much installed. As you can see, I kind of combed out the curls, and I just wanted to look very like messy and voluminous, and yeah, I love it. I love how like it's asymmetric and really natural looking. Like I said, all the wig details will be linked in the description box down below. Thank you, LUVME Hair, for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.